Hi everyone. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about using viewports in AutoCAD. Viewports are essential for display different views of your drawing on a single layout. Let's get started. So, I have in my AutoCAD this drawing, all right? This is my model space. So you can see the tab select on the model, and I would like to place this one in my paper that we call on the layout, and you can find that one on the bottom, layout 1, and click there. All right, after you switch to the layout tab, you will notice that AutoCAD provides a default viewports, which is a window tool which you can see your model space. All right. We are able to create additional viewport to show different parts of your drawing. So what you have to do? Let's just click on top of the viewport line, and you are able to editing this one. For example, you can resize this one. Just click again on the corner, and you are able to reduce the window, make this one small or bigger. This is up to you, depends where you like to place your viewports. And also you are able to delete. Just press delete, and your drawing, your viewport will disappear. To create a new one, what you have to do? In your ribbon on the top, just click on layout, one click there, and then just select rectangular, and just draw a rectangular in your layout paper to create your viewports, and click like that. Okay, so in that case you have your drawing, your model in your paper, your layout paper. All right, I'd like to make the addition. I'd like to scale, I'd like to set up this viewport to my layout. How can I make this one? You have to make addition in this window, in this viewport. To start to make that addition, you have to double click inside of this viewport, double click, and now you are able to modify, to position your drawing using your AutoCAD commands, AutoCAD tools that you do in your model space. For example, I'd like to just show this drawing on the top, and I'm gonna zoom in like that. Just scroll down and up your wheel button in your mouse, and use the pen tool to position this one on the center. If you like to set up like that, just double click outside to go out of the model area. How do I know this is my model area that I'm working on that? Because on the bottom you are able to see this model name on the bottom. Okay, so let's double click outside. When you double click outside, the name on the bottom changed for paper. So now you are able to zoom in and zoom out the paper. All right. Okay, I would like to scale this one. To scale that one, you just double click inside again, and on the bottom right you can see the number on the that show you the scale. So let's expand this one, and you see different types of scale that you are able to use in your drawing. So I'm gonna select one of them. Let me try 1 to 8. I'm gonna reduce this one 8 times, and this is make it smaller. So I'm gonna make this one bigger. So to make this one bigger, I'm gonna use the scale 1 to 4. If you'd like to increase more, I'll go to 1 to number 2. Okay, so this is gonna be my scale 1 to number 2. I'll double click outside to get off, but I have something show on the bottom here. What I have to do, double click again inside and just move my mouse a little bit down, or you can resize the viewport window. So when you inside of this model, you cannot resize this one, have to double click outside, then one click on the line, you turn that line blue, that you are able to make the resize. And just drag this one next to your drawing, double click inside, use the pen tool to position this one on the center like that. Alright, so I think this is help you to create viewports in your drawing. So let's create another one. Just click layout there, rectangular, and I'm able to create another one here. And I'd like to show only this part there. Double click, I'm gonna zoom in like that, use my mouse to zoom in, and then I'm gonna scale this one to 1 to number 2. Click that, and they're gonna scale that one. Alright, if you're happy with that scales, with the position of your drawing, you are able to lock your viewport. So this is avoid you make some mistakes or change the scales of your drawings, and help you to make additions without changing the scale. How can I do this one? So as soon as you double click inside and go to the model, just go on the bottom, the right bottom, and select that locker next to the scale. One click there, and your viewport is already locked. Let's do the same for the next viewport. Double click there, go down, lock it up that one, and both of your drawings, your viewports are locked. So now I'm in a model. When I'm zooming and zoom out, this is not gonna change the scale. Let's see, zoom in and zoom out. So the scale is still locked 1 to number 2. All right, thanks so much. See you later.